Hey, for the next 30 days, even for the whole rest of the summer, I'm thinking about not wearing no bang. We need to start a trend in ourselves. And I just thought about that. Now I ain't gonna tell you I'm gonna be walking around here looking stupid because I'm never gonna do that. But I'm not wearing no bang. I will dress it up to where it fits my face and looks good on me. But I ain't wearing no bang. And what I'm gonna do, every single day on YouTube, I'll post a new picture. I don't care if it's just one little picture I just uploaded on YouTube for the next 30 days. If you guys want to do it, go ahead and do it too. And if you want to, you can inbox me a picture, or either and I can upload it to my channel if you want to, or I see my lash all flaring up. Excuse that, but anyway, I'm proud of that too. Or just you could just comment in the comment below, so I'll know what you guys gonna do. And for the men, I know I said men can do it too. Men, you got a big forehead, big head, whatever. I want you to try to do something too for the next 30 days that's gonna dress it up. I don't care if you got a bald head. If you got a bald head, you can grow a beard. Do that. Try that. You can't grow no beard. Try one of those beards that they sell at the beauty supply store. Why not? It's you. You can do whatever you like to do. And then let me know what you guys are gonna do. All right. Bye.